The average person spends at least 12 hours a month using AI. Up to 6 of those hours are actually spent asking personal finance questions. Guys, that's 6 hours. Your customers are leaving your platform to look for financial guidance and asking platforms like ChatGPT and Claude and discovering your competitors. What if I told you that guidance could live inside your platform? My name is Alicia Chowdhury. I'm the founder and CEO of Kiro Money, and I'm joined here with our founding engineer, Connor McGowan. And we are going to tell you how Kiro can be easily embedded on your digital financial platform and provide your customers guidance right in the moment that they need it with our contextually aware financial assistant. Because right now, your customers are leaving your platform when they need when they have financial questions, and they're discovering your competitors. So we're going to showcase a case study of Kiro embedded on a banking app in the scenario of a young woman named Sarah. So Sarah gets onto her banking app. She just got a $2,000 deposit, you can see here, and she's not sure what to do with it. But the great thing is her bank has Kiro embedded on the platform. So Kiro proactively pops up when Sarah lands on the banking app, sees that there was a new cash inflow, and asks Sarah about it. Sarah mentions, as Connor's typing in as Sarah, this is a bonus. What should I do with it? And so Kiro immediately recognizes that Sarah only has a checking account signed up with you, and you can offer her potentially a high-yield savings account or have her a part of your investment platform. I'm going to pause right there for a second. What would Sarah have done if Kiro was not embedded on her banking app? She would have left your platform. She would have maybe gone to social media, Reddit, AI tool, and then she would have discovered your competitor. And there you go, you lost a deposit. But with Kiro embedded, you assisted Sarah right in the moment that she would have had that question. And so as we continue in the conversation with the Kiro assistant, Sarah, again, is a young woman, has never maybe invested before, so she's interested in exploring the investment options provided by you. So she asks the Kiro assistant about investing, and more specifically, ETFs. So here within Kiro, you are educating your customer in the moments that they have those specific questions, so they never leave your platform. Now, Kiro mentions, some ETFs that Sarah could explore. So Sarah's like, hey, I've heard of VOO, Vanguard S&P 500. Let me ask the Kiro assistant about that. And the Kiro assistant immediately provides live market data on whatever ETF Sarah's interested in exploring, all the details around performance, the asset manager, the expense ratio, the holdings, you name it. Sarah feels really confident and informed just in these few minutes having Kiro's assistant embedded on her banking app, and the assistant offers Sarah the option to open up an investment account. So Sarah takes the assistant up on that. She clicks on this call to action button, right embedded in the assistant, and is directed to your onboarding page. Once again, she sees words she's never heard. What's a Roth IRA? What's a brokerage? So Kiro's assistant is right there to help her. So she asks the assistant, what is the difference between these two types of accounts? And there she gets a short summary and understanding of what the two options are. Sarah feels confident after going through this experience. So you know what she decides to do? She decides to open up a brokerage account with your platform. And as she's going through that journey of opening up an account, the assistant is always there to support her and answer her questions. So once she goes through that, she actually deposits that $2,000 bonus into your brokerage platform. And there Kiro is once again to support her, but in a different way. Because she's a beginner investor, she's not really sure where to start. What do I research as a beginner investor? And so Sarah has the Kiro assistant to ask any of her questions. Maybe should we try NVIDIA? Sarah's interested in exploring NVIDIA stock. So she asks the Kiro assistant about it. She gets the live market price. She gets the ability to invest right there within the assistant, driving that action, keeping her engaged on your platform. She gets even the largest investment banks' analyst recommendations and price targets and a summarized description of all the news driving those recommendations. And hopefully, Sarah will make that trade or multiple trades, and you will increase your assets of Sarah within your platform. So just there, I showed at least 3 or 4 moments that Sarah would have left your platform because you were not providing her the guidance in the right moment. But with Kiro's financial assistant, you were there right when she needed answers to her questions, and that's how we help you capture your customer. And the great thing is, it's very easy to implement Kiro's assistant because all you have to do is deploy our API.
Kiro's goal is simple: help you deepen customer relationships by keeping customers engaged and inside your ecosystem. Once Kiro is embedded, you can see your impact clearly inside your analytics dashboard. You can see that the revenue impact that Kiro had on your application. You can see how customers are using your application, what action buttons they're clicking, if they're opening a high-yield savings account through it, if they're exploring investing, booking a call with one of your advisors. And then you can also see the questions that customers are asking, which gives you a powerful view into their needs, interests, and their decision-making process. So you can effectively guide them and keep them from leaving your platform in the first place. Every click inside Kiro represents a moment of intent that you are now able to capture, a moment that you would not have had without Kiro.
Here's the simple truth. Your customers are using AI for money questions. Every time that happens, you lose that relationship. But with Kiro, we'll help you keep that customer in your ecosystem and drive greater product adoption. If you want to stay in the conversation with someone like Sarah, come visit our booth 111 at the Expo Hall, and we're happy to get you set up on our API today. Thank you.